What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today this video is going to be on my Civic build. I am here at Axiom Race Fab. My roll cage is pretty much complete. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Last time you saw it, I was missing the door bars and a few other things. You guys will get to see all of that in this video. And I also have an update. I am switching out manifolds and I'm going to show you guys the manifold I'm going with. It's one of the best in this industry. Can't wait to show you guys. Let's get started with this video. We just got to the shop. He's over here welding up my cage. I got a new manifold that I'm gonna be putting on as well. So let's go inside and check it out and see what's going on. Crazy to actually see it being done. They already got this done. This is part of the parachute mount. This part actually connects in the back like that, and then here's where the parachute mount will connect on. See those welds? It looks so good.
So all you gotta do, you can grab
this guy's so good. Check these out. These welds are so sick. Wish I could weld. Haven't decided yet because I plan to get a carbon fiber trunk. But I think at the moment I'm gonna just rock a drag wing on here, keep it all blue for now until I go crazy. I do want to do the carbon fenders and bumper and all of that eventually. For right now, I'm just gonna remove this and get a drag wing, and then we'll exactly know how far the parachute has to go. Cage is pretty much set. I don't know if you guys seen the X bar yet, but it's so nice.
You're gonna drop this side in, right here, and you're just gonna push it until it drops in. And there's just enough room I left on purpose for you guys to get an Allen key.
Okay.
You'll get like a quarter turn, but it's enough because you only gotta do this once. And you can tighten it 90% by hand. So what you'll do is when you're in there, you've got a tab back here. So you're always gonna put the back in first, and it's spring loaded, right? Just seeing how it works. And then right here's your front one, and you've got this handle here. So you're gonna pull back when you're in the car, and this is supposed to be tight. So you're gonna pull back, push it up, and that's it, you're in. And this handle can move anywhere, but this is supposed to be tight. The idea is if you flip and you're sliding, your hand, you're not gonna get stuck on the ground grinding your hand up. So this is literally to protect your arm and your hand. That's all it's for. Your cable's gonna get clipped in here. I'm gonna give you everything assembled. So just so you know, when you get this, you're gonna pull this up to get your cable out.
Okay.
So that's it, it's just a one-time deal. After paint, you're done.
Alright guys, here is my new manifold. I have a GATO billet center feed manifold with 8 injectors. I haven't even opened it yet, guys. This is crazy. I'm so excited. If you guys don't know who he is, check him out. I'll leave his link below. You can check out some of his work, his Instagram. You can also get these manifolds from Tri-State Motorsports. They have these in stock. If you're not looking to do center feed, they have the side feed. They have so many options. And the cool thing about this is that it is billet, so it's pretty much indestructible.
It's very nice.
thing is so nice. I'm actually gonna mount it up on the car right now so we can see how it looks. Ooh, it's gonna look so good. Honestly, I wanted everything black, but this just sets it off. It's gonna match the turbo. I'll probably get the turbo like coated or something. That way it doesn't ever go rusty, because I've seen them like the back housing on them go rusty. So just some type of coating. But now that I see it like this, originally I wanted to like powder coat the turbo, like black as well. But I think now I'll just leave this to like match. I'm a very matchy person. And then I'll just leave this black, but I want to do wrinkle black, and then I'll also ceramic coat the Sidewinder manifold. It looks sick. And the cool thing about this is that the Ross machine throttle body that I have bolts directly on. So it's gonna be a perfect fit. I'm ready to drive. Here's the final outcome, guys. This thing looks so good. And then again, the Ross machine throttle body will bolt on directly right here, and it's black, so it's gonna be a nice combination. So happy. It looks so good. You guys check out GATO so you can get these manifolds from Tri-State Motorsports. Hit me up if you guys have any questions. This is a billet manifold with 8 injectors, so I am ready to make more power. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. You guys got to see some of the roll cage getting welded. I have my new manifold on and installed. Next time I come, cage will be completely done, and then we'll begin on the fab work. I can't wait. You guys saw his welds, so I'm sure everything under the hood is gonna look so good. Can't wait to share with you guys. I have all of my stuff here, all of my parts from Vibrant Performance. I'll go into more details in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next video.